हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं रवि और स्वागत करता हूं यूट्यूब चैनल में रवि के इन्फोटेक्स में। इन दिस वीडियोस में देखेंगे कैसे हम इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे आइडेंटिटी को एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस करेंगे हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट द आइडेंटिटी। आइडेंटिटी is a feature and functionality like provide the by default logins logouts features just like authentication features. Let's created the applications first of all. Okay, not English. Let's start with Hindi and mix up with English. Okay, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, क्रिएट करेंगे एक एप्लीकेशन ASP.NET कोड वेब एप्लीकेशन में स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस करते हैं. Let's start. Click select to the ASP.NET code web applications. Then next, click to next. Write some application name is web auth. Just a short name and create applications, right? And using ASP.NET Core 3.1 and using .NET Core, let's select the web applications, MVC model view, controller structures, MVC pattern like. Now create. After clicking some create button, then take some time to create the project. Yes, finally it's done. Application has been created. Okay, now click to the home controller. I think it's okay. Yeah, now is visual properly and manage to the solutions explorer. Okay, everything is okay and proper visuals right now. Yeah, good. Okay, now after creating some applications, now add the identity server. अब क्या करेंगे, हम identity सर्विस को यूज करेंगे. तो ये एप्लीकेशन हमारी क्रिएट हो चुकी है. इसके बाद हम करते हैं यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन पे राइट क्लिक एंड ऐड. मैंने रिसेंटली ओनली जस्ट अ फ्रेश एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किया है, तो select to the net new scaffolded items and then select identity. Already I'm using a Visual Studio is 2019. That's the reason I created select to the identity. Now add. After clicking add button, then process has been working process. Just wait some time. Identity means like provide the login logout features by default functionality using with Microsoft, just like account status message confirmations, emails changes, everything is do it step by step process. Let's watch it. Okay, ये ऑप्शन है हमारे पास अकाउंट्स के हो गए, मैनेज प्रोफाइल डेटास, confirmation, reset, everything is login logout, forget password, select overall. Now add the context file. Now I have to change some context file name. Web auth context. That's right. Okay. Now add. Click to add. Now click to add button. Now has been created some service. After some second, then application has been created. Okay. After creating some application, then provide the what's the solutions, whatever which type to add a service. It's very useful, but what happening is okay. Now getting some error in applications. What happening? Fix the builds errors and try again. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्टली अब पहले क्या करते हैं, बिल्ड करते हैं इसको कैंसिल करके, then यहाँ पे सेव किया हमने और ये एप्लीकेशन को रीबिल्ड सॉल्यूशन बिल्ड करके देखते हैं कोई एरर तो नहीं है. आई थिंक नो एरर. नाउ अगेन स्टैब्लिश द प्रोसेस, सेम प्रोसेस. नाउ न्यू scaffolds items, click to identity and and check overall files. Now add, now deleted this extra saves, add, then add, click to add buttons. बाकी जो भी एप्लीकेशंस के भी कोड्स हैं मैं आपको गिट हब के थ्रू एक कोडिंग्स में प्रोवाइड करा दूंगा, आप देख सकते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिंक जाके चेक कर सकते हैं, नॉट इशू। ये हमारी आइडेंटिटी की सीरीज है, आइडेंटिटी फ्रेमवर्क स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस करेंगे और इसकी जो सीरीज है 1 by 1 सेकंड 2 3 पार्ट वाइज डिवाइडेड वीडियो हो जाएगी, देन इजी टू लर्न हो जाएगा मेनली। ओके, नाउ क्रिएटिंग द आइडेंटिटी एंड एरिया आइडेंटिटी, already know about the using the ASP.NET Core 3.1 version, this like this. Okay, finally identity has been created. This is the identity files, these like login, logouts, forget passwords, external emails like this. Now check this is working or not working. Before, let's check identity host startup is automatic, create some connection strings in app setting JSON file. Okay, not a big deal. Let's wait. Okay, this type is connection by defaults. Okay, this is development JSON setting, this is app setting. Okay, what I'm doing, let's create some changes. Before open the SQL servers, I have to click the SQL server. Okay, please comment below what is the voice quality and video clarity. Quality is okay and fine. I try to improve some voice qualities while very necessary. Now open the SQL servers and using the localhost as a username and password is 12345. Now connect. This is localhost, my system name, and create some connection. Okay, let's creating a new database like mention a name is, and try to create some new database. Create database, mention name is I think what auth data. Okay, let's create a database, is mention his name, this my server name is localhost, then make some changes in app setting JSON file. Okay, यहाँ पे mention SQL server name is this. Okay, localhost, and what is the database name is DB. Now check created or not. Where this. Okay, yeah, it's done. इसके अंदर कुछ भी टेबल्स नहीं है और डेटाबेस भी हमारा डन है, राइट। अब हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे और डीबी करते हैं डेमो, सर्वर नेम हो गया और ट्रस्टेड कनेक्शंस नॉट नेसेसरी, आई एम यूजिंग a user ID and password. User ID is equal to SA and password is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Now change the connection. Connection name is, I'll just write a normal name. Web connection. Yeah, this is right name. Not a very long name. It's a very small name. Now the connection string is like this. It's okay. Now same connection make is development environment. App settings development JSONs and type to comma, then paste it. And now changes in the identity hosting startups files like this, and check to properties in case if creating the service dependency. Now change this site and now this. Okay, done, everything is okay. Okay boss. Let's go it. Maybe done. This is already done. This is make an existing, also adding an entity framework. Now what I'm doing some startups files. Go to the startups and click to app.use authorizations. Now add a above app.use authentications, right? अगर आप apps use authentications को अगर आप नीचे करेंगे तो इनकेस लॉगिन के टाइम में एरर्स आने के चांसेस हो जाते हैं इसमें ज़्यादा. तो सेम फीचर्स ऑल्सो यूज. एक्चुअली हम क्या करें इसमें आइडेंटिटी में क्या होता है कि पेजेस है, राइट? So many pages using the resort pages. Now add endpoint dot map controllers map reason. Right. Now this is done. Okay, let's make changes in identity of the startup files. What changes is required? Now firstly add the services dot and leisure page. Okay, this is done. And second service, add services dot configure identity options. Then use bracket on and close. Use the lambda extensions, then terminators. This. Now click to options dot password dot require digit true. Then options dot password dot required lowercase is equal to true. Now add some comments. Write some password setting. This password settings. Now click to options dot passwords dot. एक्चुअली क्या है, पासवर्ड की जो सिक्योरिटी होती है उसको हम प्रॉपर ढंग से मैनेज कर रहे हैं. इनकेस अगर आपने अपर केस एंटर नहीं किया तो फिर वो इनवैलिड पासवर्ड या कंफर्मेशन या वैलिडेशन एरर्स गिव करेगा, प्रोवाइड करेगा. Just a reason for using the passwords is used for the security reason. And some is required digit is done, required lowercase is done, required uppercase is done, and also required non alphanumeric is equal to true. Okay, now select the options dot password dot required unique case, right? Yes, unique case character is true. Options dot password dot required length is equal to 6. Now it's done. What happening? Getting some error? Okay, no issue. Okay, write some. It's a very character. Then type only. I think this. Okay. Now click to options dot password dot digit lowercase uppercase non-alphabetic non unique characters required length 6. Everything is done it. Now add logout settings. Options dot logout dot default logout time span. Dimension is time span dot 4 from minutes, और इसमें हम दे देते हैं 1 minutes। इन केस अगर आपका अकाउंट लॉग आउट हो जाता है आफ्टर 1 minutes या 2 minutes के बाद ट्राई करेंगे, देन विल बी ओपन लॉगआउट डॉट मैक्सिमम फ्री एक्सेस अटेम्प्ट्स, मतलब कितनी बार आप अटेम्प्ट करने का ऑप्शन देगा। मैं 3 बार देता ऑप्शन, अगर 3 बार में इन केस योर पासवर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट तो your account is locked for 1 minute. Now click to options dot logout dot allow for new users. Yes, true. Right, good. What happening? Yeah, good. Now selecting user setting, user settings. In this identity series में हम एक प्रॉपर में इम्प्लीमेंट्स करेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस करेंगे। और बाकी मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी ना हो, लेकिन वीडियो तो लंबी हो जाती है, जस्ट वॉच इट। ओके, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस है, चीज़ों को हम परफेक्ट करेंगे। ऑप्शन डॉट यूजर्स डॉट अलाउ यूजर नेम कैरेक्टर। नाउ A to Z alphabetical is copy paste, click to comma, now paste it, and then terminator has been close it. This is done. Now enter. Okay, click options dot users dot required Unix emails, yes or no. Now false, write some false, some reasons. Okay, this is done. Now configure the password settings done, or logout settings done, user setting is done. Now setup services dot configure application cookies. Now cookies is very important. Options using lambda expressions. Now options dot cookies dot http only is equal to true, right? True. http only like true, right? Okay, now true. options dot expire टाइम स्पैन, मतलब कुकीज की जो टाइमिंग कब एक्सपायर हो जाएगा, टाइम स्पैन डॉट फ्रॉम ए डे, यानी दिन में हम काउंट करेंगे तो 2 दिन में अगर एक्सपायर हो जाएगा। नाउ मेक चेंजेस ऑप्शंस डॉट लॉगिन पाथ। इन केस अगर लॉगिन का बाय डिफॉल्ट पाथ कौन सा रहेगा, तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आइडेंटिटी अकाउंट स्लैश right. Now options dot logout, this is logout path using slash identity account slash access denied, right? Access denied is done. Okay, now it's good, everything is good, everything is fine. Okay, make some differences, consider some space. Now click to options dot slide explanation is equal to true. This is done, everything is settings done. Now the password setting done, log out settings done, user settings done. Now set up the cookies. Now working with let's start. Okay, now save and build the applications, rebuild the application. Just wait for some time. Okay, already created some database like auth demo. Now enable the migrations, go to tools using the new get package manager, then console. Okay, now select it, where want applications names, and this use the enable migration enables. Now migration is enables. Now add migration, mention now initialize mg. ठीक है. Okay, first name is initialize migration. Now click to add. Build has start and build successed right now. Okay, yeah, migration is done. Now using the command is update minus database. Now selected, build is started. Build is success. If it's facing some any errors, use check the command name and also build the application. Yeah, try to rebuild the application. Now try to again. Okay, let's check the database. We refresh the tables. Yeah, that is good. Okay, automatic is creating some authentications tables. Log table structures is .NET user role, CMS ID login, like this. Now, okay, this is done. Okay, try to run the applications first. Before using this is home controllers. Now I'm using the authorize filter. Authorize. Now can use the controls full stop using the Microsoft. Okay, now run the applications. Let's start. Check करते हैं what is happening. merge identity application ही working कर रही है, नहीं कर रहा है, I don't know. This is login. Okay, let's check the database is .NET user tables. Nothing have any users. Now to click to register a new user right now. Now using our email ID is Ravi Kumar 69603@gmail.com. Mention this password is Ravi @123. Same password is Ravi @123. Now click to register. Yes, finally has been registered. Now click to confirm account. Yeah, confirm. Mail is confirmed. Okay. Also, how to set up the mail's password, SMT password. Let's do in series. Everything is do it. Don't worry. Okay. Now click to homes buttons. Now click to, let's type to home/desk. Yeah, same is written in the login. Click using a mail ID and type some password. Password is Ravi caps name 123 only. Now application has been login and let's check to click to the inspect. Okay, use this. You go to the applications. Now you check the cookies. Yeah, cookies is there. Everything is encrypted form. Okay. Okay, what is happening and nothing is login. Okay, let's check it. Okay, this is login partial page. Go to the layouts page. Finally go to the layouts page using in this section like partials view, select name or mention his name is login partial. Let's start and run the application. And let's start on run the applications now. if getting some any errors, then try to Google before. Okay, now please click to homes buttons. Now login and password is Ravi@3. Now login. Yeah, login is done. Now this see the login IDs and passwords. Okay, everything is done. Authorization policies. Click to log out. Okay, बाकी ये हमारी लॉगिन की जो फंक्शनैलिटी है, रजिस्ट्रेशन की फंक्शनैलिटी ये ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गई. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे इसके न्यू फीचर्स, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस करेंगे.